Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of Portmore. We are on Municipal Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. Now today we want to talk about some mega developments that are going on in Portmore. Portmore is actually going to become the 15th parish of Jamaica very soon. And the government is doing a lot of infrastructure work in Portmore because the area is growing so fast. So many developments are going up that the government actually has plans to build or upgrade the roads in Portmore. So we're going to talk about some of the mega developments going on in Portmore. But before we talk about the roads, PriceSmart recently opened a store in Portmore, a massive store. And Fontana opened a restaurant recently, and Starbucks opened a store just a few days ago. So a lot of development is going on in Portmore. So the government is playing its part in getting the infrastructure in place because in addition to the thousands of homes that are in Portmore, many more are being built. And Portmore has a lot of land. So for a developer to build 1,000 units, it's Portmore they would probably build it because there's so much land. And when you have all of this development, you need infrastructure in place so that people can get into and out of Portmore quickly, because you can't be spending hours in traffic. So the government is putting together a program called the CAPEX program, and they're going to be spending $13 billion to develop 6 roads. And the majority of the roads to be developed are in Portmore or roads leading into Portmore. And these are going to be some mega developments because these are some long roads. So in addition to the private sector that's building all these buildings like the PriceSmart and the Fontana Pharmacy, the government is playing its part by upgrading the roads. Also, you have a lot of call centers going up in Portmore. I think only Kingston and Montego Bay has more call centers, but a lot are going up in Portmore. So that too is going to add to the demand for the roads, the usage of the roads. So we're going to tell you about the projects under the CAPEX program now. So Grange Lane from Municipal Boulevard to Madrid Avenue is going to become a dual carriageway. And Grange Lane is one of the roads that take you into or out of Portmore via or to Spanish Town. So that project is going to cost $1.1 billion. It's a massive project, a mega project. And then the Brayton Road and Hellshire Main Road is also going to become a dual carriageway from Naggerhead to East Mid Street. So those are 2 main roads in Portmore that are going to become dual carriageways. And then you're going to have, the government is going to build an overpass from Mandela Highway into Portmore. So the way it's supposed to work now is Mandela Highway is 6 lanes. You're going to have an overpass that takes you into Portmore, probably going close to the Aki Village, and it's going to go to Municipal Boulevard, which is going to be 4 lanes. And then from Municipal Boulevard, you can access Grange Lane, which is also going to be 4 lanes. And then Municipal Boulevard is going to be 4 lanes going down to Hellshire Main Road. So this will make a huge difference in terms of traffic. I'm not sure how this new overpass or the new Portmore access from Mandela entry into Portmore Not sure how that's going to affect the Portmore Expressway, which is the toll road leading into Portmore. And of all the toll roads or all the toll plazas in Jamaica, the Portmore Toll Plaza is the busiest toll plaza. Makes more money than all the other toll plazas. That's how busy Portmore is. So you're going to have, basically, there are three main routes into Portmore. The Portmore Expressway, which replaces the Causeway Bridge. That's already 4 lanes. You're going to have entry from Mandela Highway, and then you're going to have Grange Lane upgraded. So a lot of mega developments going on in Portmore. And of course, we will keep you updated on all these projects as they start. All right, guys. Oh, what I was saying is, I'm not sure, or it's left to be seen, how this access road into Portmore is going to be considered a competing road to the highway, and there are some non-compete clauses, but a similar thing happened when they were expanding Mandela Highway. It would have triggered the non-compete clause for the highway, which is a Portmore Expressway. It's a part of Highway 2000. But I think the Parliament had to pass a law, or some changes were made, and that allowed the non-compete clause not to be triggered. So I guess whatever was done then, because the access road is coming from Mandela, so I guess it would be considered a part of that upgrade to the non-compete clause. So I guess it will be fine. But we'll keep you guys updated if any questions arise as to that. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.